Okay, we've got a plot here. I think you should recognize that as a cubic, and indeed we're told it is. And we're asked how many values of x does fx equals 0? Well, if the function is 0, it means it's crossing the x-axis. Where does this one cross? Well, it crosses here, and it crosses here, and it crosses here. So there are 3 values of x where the function fx is 0. So option C is the correct answer. We've got party hats and cupcakes being bought for $71 for a party. Each package of the party hats costs $3 and each cupcake costs $1. If Vivian bought 10 packages of party hats, how many cupcakes? Okay, so whatever she buys, she's going to spend $71. And she's bought 10 packages of party hats and they are $3 each. I'm going to put an X there briefly because I don't know how many cupcakes. So this will turn out to be the number of cupcakes because they're $1 each. So this is 30 plus X is equal to 71. And therefore, moving the 30 onto the other side, it becomes negative. X is equal to 41. So that's 41 cupcakes. Which is your answer?